Imagine waking up tomorrow in a world where nothing works. Not your phone, not your car, not even the power grid keeping your lights on. This isn't a sci-fi premise. It is a mathematical certainty if a single, 100-mile wide strait in the Pacific were to be closed for just 48 hours. One tiny island, smaller than the state of Maryland, has managed to hold the entire human race hostage. Not through nuclear weapons or oil, but through a piece of technology thinner than a human hair. This is the Silicon Shield. And right now, it is the only thing standing between the global economy and a $10 trillion collapse. To understand Taiwan's importance, you only need to know one number: 92%. That's how much of the world's most advanced semiconductors are produced on this single island. These tiny processors power modern civilization. Smartphones, artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, military systems, and almost all of them come from one company, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or simply TSMC. If these factories stopped production for even a few months, global technology wouldn't just slow down. It would roll back years of progress overnight. But this creates another mystery. How did a mountainous island become the center of the digital world? The answer begins with one of the most complex machines ever built: extreme ultraviolet lithography. Each machine costs more than $200 million. Inside, lasers fire molten droplets of tin thousands of times per second, producing light powerful enough to etch circuits only a few atoms wide. Only one company on Earth can build these machines, ASML in the Netherlands, and Taiwan bought most of them. As the world now pivots toward 2-nanometer mass production, the gap between Taiwan and the rest of the planet is only widening. This 2-nanometer technology is so advanced that a single transistor is roughly the size of a strand of DNA. But the machines are only part of the equation. Producing a single advanced chip requires more than 1,000 separate manufacturing steps and enormous quantities of ultra-pure water. During a drought in 2021, Taiwan restricted water for farmers just to keep its semiconductor plants running. Because if the factories stopped, the global technology industry would feel the shock immediately. Which leads to a much bigger question. If Taiwan is this valuable, why hasn't China invaded? Across the Taiwan Strait, China has built one of the most powerful militaries in the world. Thousands of missiles, hundreds of fighter jets, more than 2 million soldiers. On paper, China has the strength to overwhelm Taiwan. So why hasn't it happened? Because the thing China wants most is also the one thing it cannot afford to destroy. Taiwan semiconductor factories. If war ever became inevitable, analysts believe those facilities could be disabled before they fall into enemy hands. Some strategists even call this the scorched silicon scenario, because capturing Taiwan's chip industry intact might be impossible, and destroying it would cripple China's own economy, which creates a strange strategic paradox. The prize China wants most could vanish the moment the war begins. So what would actually happen if Taiwan's semiconductor production stopped? The consequences would spread instantly. Car factories across the world would shut down within weeks. Electronics manufacturing would collapse. Even advanced military systems would run out of components. According to estimates from Bloomberg, a conflict over Taiwan could cost the global economy $10 trillion. That's more damage than the 2008 financial crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic combined. The modern world runs on a fragile supply chain, and right now, that chain has one critical link: Taiwan. So why doesn't the rest of the world simply build new factories? They're trying, but building a cutting-edge semiconductor plant takes 5 years and more than $30 billion. And even then, it doesn't solve the real problem. Taiwan's dominance isn't just factories. It's an ecosystem built over 4 decades. Engineers, suppliers, precision manufacturing networks. A system so advanced that replicating it may take an entire generation, which leaves the world in an uncomfortable position. China wants Taiwan. The West depends on Taiwan, and the global economy cannot function without it. For now, the global economy runs on chips made on one small island, a territory claimed by China, but vital to the survival of the United States. These factories don't just power your phone. They are the only thing preventing the most expensive war in history. Because if Taiwan's silicon shield ever breaks, the world won't just slow down, it will go dark. Support this briefing by hitting the like button and subscribe to join the Atlas Geo Lore Network. We map the forces that others can't see.